to Recipes from Small Kitchen, where everything is easy to make and delicious to eat. Hope all of you guys are doing great today. Today I'm excited because I'm going to be sharing with you a delicious and refreshing recipe. We're going to be making strawberry mojitos. Now this recipe doesn't have alcohol, but you can add alcohol if you want. And it's perfect for spring and summer that we're almost getting to those seasons. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started with the ingredients. Okay, so we're going to need juice of 3 limes. Fresh mint leaves, make sure you pre-wash it first. We're also going to need about 3 tablespoons of sugar or to taste. 10 to 15 fresh strawberry pre-washed. 4 cups of water. As well as 3 cups of Sprite soda. There you go. Now in a jar, I'm going to add the strawberries. I'm also going to add the lime juice and the mint leaves. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to mash it because I want to bring out the flavor of the strawberries and the mint leaves. You can use anything to mash it. I'm using a mofongo type tool to mash the strawberries and everything together. Now I'm going to add the 4 cups of water. You add the sugar. Make sure you mix it and then you taste it just to see if it's to your liking. And I'm also adding fresh mint leaves as well. Last thing we're going to do is add the 3 cups of Sprite soda. And that's it, guys. Now all you're going to do is just serve it. I'm serving it in my mason jar. I just like the way it looks. I added some ice, fresh strawberries, lime wedges. We're going to add our delicious strawberry mojito to it. And last but not least, we're also adding fresh mint leaves. Mix it well and then enjoy, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.